Sweet Success Bakery LLC aspires to recycle our Carolina dollars through artisan baked goods using local brands and farms. We strive to solve the issue of South Carolina's economic growth. We know that's ambitious. However, research shows there are four factors that drive our economy: entrepreneurship, land, labor, and capital. We support entrepreneurs through the use of local brands. Land is supported through the use of locally grown produce, earning us the fresh on the menu membership. The more we shop locally, the more label that is needed. Sweet Success Bakery LLC grew from a hobby that blossomed during my adolescence. I spent days and nights in the kitchen, tightly wound around the apron strings of my grandmother. I remember my cousins would always get jealous because I was the only one that was allowed to lick the spoon when the cake was baked. I fine-tuned my skills by taking culinary arts classes during high school. I continued my education at Johnson Wales University, obtaining a degree in baking and pastry and food service management, afterwards earning my master's in education. Through my capacity as a teacher, I've earned a number of awards, including Teacher of the Year for Sumter Chamber of Commerce, Ford Unsung Hero, and Sumter 20 Under 40. We have identified our target customers as male and females ages 18 to 64, making low to moderate income level, single, married, and family units living in the Sumter suburban areas. This makes up about 86% of Sumter's population. We plan to reach our target audience through a mix of social media, text campaigns, and special events. We have dates planned to attend some summer programs in Sumter and Columbia. We also are setting a date to conduct a couples cake decorating class this summer. There we go, making another delivery. First year goals are to begin working in the bakery barn retail space, hire staff, and increasing revenue through online ordering and shipping orders. By year three, we plan to relocate to a bigger space to begin offering brunch and lunch items. We will then rent out the bakery barn as a commercial kitchen and purchase a delivery vehicle. By year five, we plan to extend our outreach to the Columbia area. Reaching our target audience cannot be done without the use of our phenomenal team. I'm Kia Smith, the owner. I have a background in food and beverage management, baking and pastry, and education. Emily, our manager, is a recent graduate of the Culinary Arts program of Sumter. She has strong leadership capabilities and prior knowledge in sustainability and baking. We are both ServSafe certified managers. We raise the bar when it comes to the standard training of employees. Instead of just training our employees to complete daily tasks, we train them to become experts in this field. Through unique products, consistent quality, and dedicated customer service, we have produced a community driven company that has eliminated food as the only value in a business such as this. We are asking $30,000 to fund this project. Enjoy this walkthrough as I explain the price breakdown. This will be used to purchase a commercial lot located in an identified opportunity zone and hub zone on a busy street in Sumter. We will purchase a 12 by 30-foot structure, giving us 360 square foot of space to convert to a commercial kitchen equipped with a drive-through window. Renovations include electricity and plumbing work. All remaining equipment and inventory needed to complete the bakery barn will be purchased through business credit and charge accounts. We utilize local resources to recycle our Carolina dollars through the sale of baked goods. While we are currently a home based business, we utilize our connections at the Culinary Arts Program Commercial Kitchen that is DHEC approved with an A rated food grade. We have identified our immediate goal of purchasing commercial land, a structure, and renovations to our commercial kitchen as a new hub for operations. Our target audience are reached through special events and social media. Our phenomenal team not only values the success of the bakery, we uplift and inspire our community through partnerships and internships. Through this